Where's Aiden's nose?
Here.
Where's Aiden's ears?
Here.
Where's Aiden's head?
Here.
Where's his hair?
Here.
Where's his fingers?
Here.
Mouth. Where's his mouth?
Here.
Here. Where's his teeth?
No, there's not. Ask her where's Aiden's nose?
Can you give Aiden a big kiss?
Yeah.
Give him a big kiss. It's your brother. Oh. Aiden, you want to smile for everybody?
Kiko.
Alexis, what are you doing?